Today we'll show you how to download CSGO. Just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, you can open your Steam and go here and download from the Steam, or go to your Google and put here download like this CSGO. Okay guys, and now you can download like Counter Strike like .net like this, and go here and download from this Counter Strike.net. You can download from here, and you can do anything from here. Just every time download it from Steam like this, from here, like Counter Strike or CSGO. You can put, okay, just go, you have this, the Counter Strike 2, or go to this, wait one second, this is CSGO guys, this is, wait one second, click, okay. After this, after now you are clicking, just go here and go like play a game and add to library. Okay, just click to here, add to your library. Okay, after to add your library, just go to your library like this, and just click to Counter Strike like this CSGO and download from it. If you want to download Counter Strike 2, you can just like this and install it. It's no problem. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.